Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Rhoda and this is the Cookalicious Kitchen. Hope you had a wonderful day today. Well, on the menu today is sausage corn rolls. So here are the list of my ingredients. I'm going to be using sugar. So I have 3 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to be using flour. This is just normal flour that has been sifted. I'm going to be using oil. This is your normal vegetable or your normal coconut oil, whichever one you want to use. Now I'm using corn flour for this recipe. You can actually use any other ingredient of your choice. Here I'm going to be adding onion to mine. I have onion, I have baking powder, I have a tablespoon of baking powder, I have salt to taste, I have pepper, and a pinch of granulated nutmeg. I'm going to be using 1 egg, and I have milk. Now the actual list of ingredients I'm using will be in the description box. And I'm going to be using my sausage. So I'm going to be using 4 sausages. So this is the chicken and this is the beef sausage. So what I'm going to do now is to cut my sausage, marinate it, stir frying it for a few minutes because I want the sauce to actually be well incorporated into it. I like a little bit of heat. I'm going to be adding just a little bit of pepper into it and my salt to taste. I'm going to also add a little bit of my paprika. You can skip this part. This part is actually optional. You can just fry directly. And I'm just going to be adding a little bit of my all-purpose seasoning, just a little bit. I'm going to stir properly. And I'm going to pan-sear this for at least 3 minutes. So I'm going to fry on a pan for 3 minutes. Flip over the other side when this side is hot. In a clean pan, I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients. So this is the flour, the sugar, the corn flour, the baking soda, the baking powder, and I'm going to stir to make sure everything is incorporated. So we're going to set it aside. So I'm going to crack in my eggs. I'm going to add my milk and I'm going to whisk. I'm going to add in my onion, my pepper and salt. I'm also going to whisk. So I'm going to make a well and pour in my contents into it. And I'm going to stir. So I'm done. You can see how it is. Now I'm going to add my oil. So this is the consistency we're going for. Something that is, look at it, it's not runny, neither is it too thick. So I have my sausage. I'm going to be sprinkling a little bit of flour on it so that when I stick it, it doesn't fall off. So I'm going to be inserting my toothpicks into the sausage. So I'm going to be dipping it into the dough. And I'll dip it into the oil. So you have to be very fast in your frying and make sure your flame is on medium to low because it gets burnt very easily. Flip over for the back too. So this should take you another 2 minutes and it's ready. So I'm getting it off the heat. We're done. So hope you enjoy cooking along with me. Please do well to hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you love this recipe, I would love to see your comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. I love you and bye. See you in the next video.